My name is James Chitete. I'm working as a tour guide to Good Earth, tours in the safaris. I'm also a professional photographer. I learned photography from one of my clients, one of my friends known as Todd Gustafson. He's a very famous photographer. So he's the one who taught me about photography. This time we had a short course program with my fellow guides where I was trying to share my knowledge with them. I taught them about camera settings, different angle of light, about positioning the cars during game drive, and also the best tricks to capture the actions. And hope most of them, they enjoyed the short course.
My photograph course in Tanzania with James was truly excellent. What made it stand out was training alongside my fellow safari guides. We learned as well to work as a team to make everything easy and possible. We could discuss animal behavior, and it was a high-level collaborative environment.
The course was refreshing about how to use the camera, how to do the angles. So we were with my friends, James. So I'm happy with this course because we learn more about how to park, about the light, what the best time to do the shooting, the angle. This is more practical. So we were together with my friends. So I'm very happy with this course.
Unajua Machomi mara kwanza, yani paki yangu ya kwanza kufika ni hapa.
Okay.
Tulikuwa na miaka mitatu kipindi hicho.
Ilikuwaje? Na sasa hivi ukilinganisha na sasa hivi?
Bwana. Sasa kipindi hicho mimi ninaona picha tu.
Ndio.
Ni picha nazo sikumbuki.
Sawa.
Sasa hivi ni picha tu ndo zimebaki kama kumbukumbu kipindi hicho. Nimeshikwa mkono na mzee Good Luck.
Ndio.
Bwana. Guests travel thousands of miles to come here in these national reserves and parks, hoping to get the best experience they expected. And being able to capture these sceneries like sunset with a baobab tree in the forefront or the background, it's something of very huge advantage. And being able to experience this and show clients and show guests how to record and how to set up their background, their foreground, and good lighting, because some guests truly come with less knowledge, but being able to have these ideas and being able to understand how lighting and how cameras work, it's a huge benefit for us.
I used to find the best animals in this park, but for this course I've learned so many things. Our friend taught us photography basics, how to stand so the light is perfect, how to frame a picture, and how to use the empty space so the photos looks nice.
Photography is very important to send a message to the audience, to the people who never see animals or nature in a close touch.
Buddhist tour to make this program for the guides, to teach the guide how to make the photograph, to help the clients, to show them how to view the camera and how to make the good photographs. When you do the photograph, it's not just photograph. You want to take the good picture and a very quality picture for the clients. For me, I'm a guide, also I teach some of my colleagues the way to use the camera for photograph, and how can make a good position for photograph people. I help them for that.
What I like about Buddhist tours and safaris is to have these seasonal trainings, which keeps people to be alive. Things do change. So once you have these periodic training programs, you can always be updated.